Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is imminent. It is pronounced imminent, and it is spelt I-M-M-I-N-E-N-T. Think im, and then min, and then E-N-T. Don't forget the double M in the middle. Imminent means that something is likely to happen soon. It's impending and about to occur. For example, you could say the storm was imminent and people were advised to take shelter. Or his arrival was imminent and everyone was preparing to greet him. The word imminent comes from the Latin word imminere, which means to threaten. If you think about its meaning today, if something is imminent, it is about to happen. If it is a bad thing, it could be seen as threatening. See the connection here? In the movie The Incredibles, the superhero family eventually work out Syndrome's evil plans and foresee an attack on the city is imminent. So, they rush to the rescue. Synonyms for imminent are impending and forthcoming. Antonyms for imminent are distant, far off, and remote. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, imminent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.